So you can also protect this domain with a SSL certificate. For this, you need to go to your domain name service provider and just apply for a SSL certificate, or you can also use Cloudflare DNS, and it comes with free HTTPS SSL certificate. So we will be forwarding all the requests to our Cloudflare DNS, and in there we will be configuring our DNS record rather than using the default GoDaddy DNS manager. So let's log into your Cloudflare account, and in here you need to add a site. I have already add my site in here, so let's open it. It will take some time to verify this domain name ownership, so you need to wait for 24 hours for that. Because I have already set up it, so it is already verified. So just you need to go to this DNS section, then records, and in here you need to add the same AA and CNAME. So let's add it. Add a record. So A record will be @ that's mean it will be our main domain name, and the IP address will be our VPS server IP. We will turn off this proxy status for now. Let's save it and add a CNAME. So it will be www.myotlab.in, and the target will be our domain name. So any request which will be coming from www.myotlab.in will be forwarded to myotlab.in. Okay. Let's proxy, turn off the proxy and save it. And to use this third-party DNSs, so we need to forward all the requests from GoDaddy DNSs to Cloudflare DNS. For that, we need to change the domain server. So copy this. So go to your domain name, and in name server, we need to change the name servers. So rather than using GoDaddy name servers, we will use my own name server. So in here, we need to paste the first link and then the second link, and then save it. After saving, you need to wait some time to point our IP to this Cloudflare domain. So now all of our requests will coming to this GoDaddy DNS, and then it will be forwarded to our Cloudflare DNSs because we have changed the name servers. So let's check the DNS checkup if it is working or not. As you can see here, it is pointed to our VPS IP. And if we visit to this domain name, as you can see here, we are successfully getting this page. Okay. Let's turn on this proxy, save, and also in here. So after turn on the proxy, let's check it. It will be taking some time. What will happen is, instead of our own VPS IP, we will be seeing Cloudflare IP only. So in this way, you can hide your VPS IP. So let's wait for some time. After some time, you will be seeing Cloudflare IP instead of your own VPS IP. So make sure in the SSL section in overview, you are actually turn off the SSL mode, and in Edge certificate menu, you have to disable the automatic HTTP rewrites. After turn on the proxy, I have checked this after 2 hours. As you can see here, you cannot actually able to see our VPS IP. So in some region there is still showing this VPS IP, but after some time it will be also replaced by our Cloudflare VPS IP. So in that way you can actually hide your original VPS IP and secure your server. And if we go to our domain name again and do a hard reload, so instead of our VPS IP, we are seeing our Cloudflare IP. So in that way, you can actually hide your VPS IP. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of this content, please subscribe to this channel.